Should you order the Xtreme Recon package or upgrade once your Jeep comes in? Find out in today's video. The all-new Xtreme Recon package for the Jeep Wrangler was recently introduced by Jeep, and it was introduced for a few reasons. The first reason, well, just take a look at the Jeep behind me. It looks absolutely incredible with that package on. It wasn't until Bronco came out with their Sasquatch package that the marketing guys at Jeep decided, hey, it's time, we need to start competing with the other competitors in the market. We're gonna be able to create this in the Jeeps that are already available, get them in a little bit quicker than the Bronco can, and give you some of these same features with a little bit more onto it. In this video, we're gonna talk about if the Xtreme Recon package is worth the money when ordering it from factory versus adding on all of these goodies aftermarket. Now, what I will tell you guys that with this Jeep coming with factory 35s, re-geared axles, and all the other goodies to back it up, this is intended for someone that's going to relatively keep this thing the way it looks. And when I say keep it the way it looks, I don't mean you can't swap out the bumpers, add your own custom features like lighting or other graphics accessories on there. You want to keep this thing pretty close to what it rolled off the factory lot. Now, the reason for keeping it closer to what you bought is because you are paying almost $4,000 for the Xtreme Recon package. You wouldn't want to dump $4 grand into the Jeep just to pull all this off and add on all your own accessories. If you wanted to do that, you could easily order a stock Rubicon or a stock Wrangler and then decide to add on whatever lift, whatever wheels and tires, and all the other goodies that you want to do after the fact. However, this is for someone that's ready to hit the trails as soon as they get it off the dealership lot. Maybe throw a steel bumper on here with a worn winch, but keep it close to what it looks like today. Now, like I said before, we're not gonna go into all the little nitty-gritty details on the Xtreme Recon package and go over every nut and bolt that is included. You guys are gonna wanna stay tuned to this channel. We've got a few more of these coming in, a couple in some limited edition colors, and then once we get some of those in, we're gonna do a complete in-depth review of every single piece and part that is included in that $39.95 Xtreme Recon package. And that's gonna move on to my number 2 point of why you might wanna check out an Xtreme Recon versus doing this aftermarket, and that's gonna be the elephant in the room, that is pricing. And when it comes down to it, guys, I know every one of you that is viewing this video, including myself that's talking to you on this video, is always concerned about pricing. How much is this gonna cost me now? How much is it gonna cost me in the long term? And what am I getting out of it for my hard-earned dollar? Because we all know here, you guys work hard for your money and you don't want to dump it into something that you're not really gonna be thrilled with once you get it. I will tell you, just by seeing this roll off the trailer the other day, I was very excited to see how it looked. And I'm really gonna be honest, I think it looks awesome just the way it is. Now, what you get with that $4,000, I will be honest, I've been in the off-road industry for a very long time. I've built a ton of Jeeps, axle swaps, gear swaps, lift kits, wheels, tires. When I tell you that you are getting a lot of bang for your buck out of this kit, I truly mean it. I was contemplating adding all of this up in my head and seeing exactly how much it would cost. And I will tell you guys instantly that with parts and with labor and with parts availability, it is gonna take you more money to do this aftermarket than it is with this package. That'll kind of tie into my first point that says if you want this exact 35-inch tire and you want to keep it looking like this is the best bang for your buck. If you're gonna buy it, rip everything off and add on your own lift kit, you're probably better off just ordering a stock Wrangler, Rubicon, or any other trim model of your choice. To me, it's a lot less of a hit on the bank account when you can go in, put a larger down payment, and get everything financed right into it. Yeah, you might pay $20 or $30 a month for this package, but I'll say it's probably gonna be worth it before you're gonna deplete your entire account right after you buy your Wrangler. Now, not only does Susquehanna Automotive give you great deals on brand new vehicles, especially when you factory order them from us, if you're not feeling exactly what's set up on the Xtreme Recon package or even your stock vehicle, we have a fully capable service department that can completely modify your vehicle, adding lift kits, wheels, tires, lighting, re-gears, braking, suspension performance, anything that you can think of to really customize it and make it your own. Best thing about that is that as soon as your Jeep comes in, you leave it with us, we get everything done. As soon as you're ready to pick it up, you sign on the dotted line and you're ready to roll out and enjoy that new vehicle. My last reason to consider this Xtreme Recon is that when I look at everything on this, the wheels, the tires, the suspension, the axles, front and rear bumpers, all the goodies that go into this Wrangler, you guys have to understand that this is the exact same equivalent to a stock Wrangler when it comes to the key word in our industry, and that is warranty. This has the full exact same warranty as any other Wrangler or any other new vehicle on the market. Now, to me, that's incredible when just looking at the sheer size of the 35-inch tire, the factory beadlock capable wheels, and all the other goodies that go into this Jeep. To be able to drive this down the trail, daily drive it, and not have to worry about a thing under your complete warranty coverage, I will tell you that that is some peace of mind that is hard to get lately. With a factory warranty, you're gonna be covered on everything bumper to bumper, 3-year, 36,000 miles, and then a full powertrain warranty for 5-year and 60,000 miles. I'm not sure if this video is gonna be viewed 2 or 3 years down the road. The warranty might change a little bit, so if it does, I'm sorry, but that is what it is. as of this moment. When you're looking at this Jeep and you want a full warranty, what you need to know is that a lot of aftermarket companies, if you go and get a stock Wrangler and throw in the cheapest parts that you can find, the spacer lift kit, the cheapest wheels, cheapest tires, most of them aren't going to have full warranty. And you might have some issues getting the entire Jeep warranted if you throw on inferior parts and they cause the issues that you're experiencing. Now, what I always hate to see is someone that takes a brand new $50,000, $60,000 Jeep and puts on parts that probably aren't up to par as with the Jeep quality and the Wrangler nameplate. This is gonna be the family hauler for you. Now, what that means is that all of your loved ones and the people that you care about the most are normally riding shotgun or in the back of the vehicle with you. You wouldn't wanna put them at any risk, and by putting on some inferior quality parts, that may just happen. When you buy an Xtreme Recon package, you're gonna be sure that Jeep and FCA have thoroughly tested this thing and really made it up to the standards of a vehicle that's rated for the highway. There's a lot of nitty-gritty details that goes into that, including the FVMSS, where this thing has to go through a slalom of cones with a bunch of sensors all over it in order to make sure that it passes everything the way that it should. Now guys, I don't know if you can tell throughout this video, but I've been extremely excited to see this Xtreme Recon in person and really be able to check it out. Now this one here behind me is already sold. This was a factory order. That's where the customer came in, chose all the options they want, including this gorgeous granite crystal clear coat here. Now I will say, if you guys are interested in a little bit more info on these, if you want to know anything about the way our dealership works, adding on parts, or even just general questions, I'll leave my number down below. You can feel free to hit me up, and if you're interested in ordering one, reach out to me. I can get connected with the right people and help you out with that. Now on this video, we went over a lot of this Xtreme Recon, but if you stay tuned to the channel, we've got a bunch more of these coming in, including one that might have just a little bit more power under the hood, and you're gonna want to see that one when it comes in. Until next time, I am Matt from Susquehanna Automotive, and I'll catch you on the next one.